To clean the MX40, you will wipe down the device and the patient cable, either as a single unit, or disconnected, according to your hospital policy. If your hospital policy is to disconnect the patient cable from the MX40, remove the cable, and if you are using disposable AA batteries, remove the battery adapter tray and clean separately. Wipe the MX40 and battery tray using a lint-free cloth. Dampen modestly with one of the approved cleaning or disinfectant agents. The approved cleaners can be found in the IFU, and are also suitable for cleaning the patient cable. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the prescribed application duration time. If you must clean inside the patient cable connector, use only isopropyl alcohol on the gold pads, followed by a lint-free cloth, dampened with water. Remove cleaner residue by wiping the MX40, patient cables, and battery tray with a lint-free cloth, modestly dampened with distilled water, or isopropyl alcohol. Pick up your lead set and attach it to the MX40, you notice it only fits one way. To open the battery compartment, place the MX40 in your non-dominant hand, put your other hand on the black lines, squeeze and bring downward. If the door comes off, you have not broken it. Just attach it back to the MX40. 3 AA batteries are used in the MX40. You notice that all 3 AA batteries are placed into the compartment the same way. Once you put your batteries into the MX40, you have turned the device on.